Last week tulifanya intro to digital marketing, si ndio?
Yes.
What can you remember? What's the last thing we talked about?
Okay, the last thing we talked about is paid marketing and organic marketing.
Tell me the difference between the two.
So the organic marketing, organic marketing is free. It's free, just like the SEO. But paid marketing, the organization have to pay Google so that they can run ads.
But it's not just Google, it's also social media.
Okay.
Yeah.
All the platforms. Yeah.
So which is the best strategy to use between paid and organic?
Okay, like you can use both. Yeah.
Why?
If you have money, but if you have money, you can use paid. Yeah, but I think both are good.
Yeah. So if you want success, you combine both strategies.
Yes.
Because organic takes time before you get results.
Yes.
But paid, unalipa na unapata, you start generating results. But now once your budget runs out, the results stop.
Sure.
That's why you have to use both. It's best to use both.
Yeah.
Organic inakufanyia kazi over time.
Yes.
Alafu paid inakupatia the instant results that you want.
Yeah.
I am now continuing from organic and paid marketing. Today we are looking at pull versus push marketing.
Okay.
It's not very different from organic versus paid.
Okay.
But you need to understand this, especially when creating digital marketing strategies.
Okay.
So, pull and push marketing. Think of push marketing and pull marketing as the two different ways, the two main ways to get a customer to pay attention to a business.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And push and pull marketing is divided. Push and pull marketing can either be organic or it can be paid.
Yes.
So now today we are going to look at the differences between these push and pull marketing tactics.
Okay.
And then in addition to that, we are going to look at the benefits and examples of each.
Okay.
So we are going to start with push marketing.
Okay.
Push marketing is also known as outbound marketing. It is known as outbound
Marketing.
and it is a digital marketing strategy where you take the marketing to the customer. You push it out to the customer. That's why it's called push.
Okay.
Because you create marketing messages and then you push them out to the customers. It is outward bound.
Okay.
That's why it's called either push marketing or outbound marketing.
Okay.
And in push marketing, the customer is not necessarily looking for the product or the service that we are selling.
Okay.
But we put our product and service in front of them.
Okay.
Ni mtu amekaa tu amebangaiza, amechill.
Yeah.
And then boom, they see our marketing messages. It could be a TikTok video. It could be an ad. Hawajatutafuta, it just appeared in front of them. That is known as push marketing or outbound marketing.
Yeah.
So when you're creating your digital marketing strategy, you have to decide which outbound marketing tactics or which push marketing tactics are we going to use.
Okay.
Common examples of push marketing tactics: Facebook ads.
Okay.
Wow, una scroll tu alafu boom, you see an ad.
Yeah.
Haujaitafuta hiyo ad, it was pushed to you.
Yeah.
Basically, all types of ads are examples of push marketing.
Okay.
Because you push it out to people. When you're watching a TV commercial on Citizen, wewe umekaa tu na familia yako unakula githeri yako tamu, and then boom, an ad from Festive or a brand of milk.
Yeah.
That is push marketing.
Okay.
Or kwa matatu ama unatembea and then you see a big Coca-Cola billboard. You didn't ask for it. They didn't even ask for your permission to be in your space. That's an example of push marketing.
Okay.
Or cold emails, cold calls. Unafikiria like now, let's say you want to start offering digital marketing services.
Yeah.
You sit down and then you look around in your area.
Yeah.
And then you start investigating businesses in your area and then you start calling them.
Okay.
They don't know you. They've never heard of you. You are just calling them. That's called cold calling.
Okay.
And that's an example of push marketing.
Okay.
When you get an SMS from Naivas QuickMart on your phone, that's an example of push marketing.
Yeah.
Haya, na sasa notice push marketing combine, it has both outbound.
Yeah.
But it is mostly, you've noticed that push marketing is mostly paid.
Yes.
It is mostly paid.
Yeah.
But then there is also traditional marketing in here.
Yeah.
Kuna ma billboard, kuna ma radio, kuna SMS, even newspapers.
Yes.
When you're just reading your newspaper and you see an ad, that is an example of push marketing.
Sure. Yeah.
Now, in push marketing, a business, and hapa kwa business, we are including a digital marketer like you. You create a marketing message, and then you push it out to the customer.
Okay.
So, for example, me, Tag Creative, is trying to sell SEO training.
Okay.
So, I create a marketing message like this one. Learn SEO, grow your career, rank higher, SEO training by Tag Creative.
Yeah.
Huyu mtu ana chill tu anakunywa chai, and then they see my advertisement. I have pushed it out in front of him.
Okay.
So they were not searching for digital marketing services, then they were on the phone socializing and enjoying themselves.
Yeah.
And then suddenly they see an ad from Tag Creative.
Yeah.
The marketing message was pushed to them.
Yeah.
Unaelewa?
Yeah, naelewa.
So that's what push marketing is.
Okay.
Swali mpaka hapo.
Mpaka hapo tuko sawa.
Tuko sawa?